Hey, Shawnee from SpeedCubeReview.com. I am not at home right now, but I'm going to continue to make content for you. So make sure to subscribe. I got a fun puzzle from Diane Ching. It doesn't say Diane Ching on this box, but it was in the same package as another one. And I'm very confused by this. I'll show you why in a second. Is the puzzle white? Is this a puzzle? The blanker cube? What does that mean? It has a Z here, but I don't think it's not Z cube. Okay. Looking at it, looks like a cube with no stickers. That's not normal. Is that all stuck together? This is a 2x2 mod, I think. Where this block stays the same, right? 1, 2, 3. Yep, it's a 2x2 mod. I don't have any mod like this. Let's scramble it up. Oh, that's fun. Like, holding on to it, you can tell there's a solid block right here. And then, you know, a square and a square, but just looking at it, this looks like madness. And I love it. If my students are watching, this will be in the classroom soon, if not already, because it depends on how long I take to edit this. Okay, I'm gonna just start with this as the corner, and then line that one up. I can tell that this goes there. Wait, but I have another block. Oh, don't know if it's gonna cause an issue, but there's 3 of these 2x2x1 blocks. One here, one here, one here. Could having them in the wrong spot mess things up? I don't know. After, if this does solve it here, we will check that. So I need to, wait, what? Oh, so I need to flip. Let's do soon. Can I do soon? Okay, let's say I need to flip these 2. I don't really know. No, that didn't do it. Wait, this should now. Yeah, there we go. Then this one has to go there, so I just swap these 2. No, that's the wrong alg. What's the best way of doing this? I don't want to do a V perm. I did this at the end. I can't do an A perm. No, I can. There's just 2 layers. I'm thinking like it's a bandage cube, but it's not. So I just, no, I'm supposed to. I messed it up. That's it. This is like one of my new favorite puzzles. It's very, just some discussion on the feeling of it. It's very hollow, very light. I'm used to modded puzzles that are filled with epoxy, so they have a lot of heft to them. There we go. That's a lot better way of doing it. And then I need to just swap these 2, and I could just use a T-perm. Oh, no, I just need to twist it. There we go. That's fun. This is my new favorite puzzle, the blanker cube. I'm sure someone else has come up with a different name in the past, like it's a 2x2 shape mod to make it look like a 3x3, but it looks like a 3x3. I'm going to be excited to have this on my desk and just watch students pick it up being like, what is this? And then freak out. We'll see how that goes. Thank you very much for watching. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Hit like, subscribe for more content like this in the future. And always stop by SpeedCubeReview.com for more news and reviews. Oh, oh,